S'mores, a popular campfire treat in North America, have a history that dates back to the early 20th century. The name s'more is a contraction of the phrase some more, reflecting the treat's irresistible nature. Origin. First recipe. The first recorded recipe for s'mores was published in the 1927 Girl Scouts handbook titled Tramping and Trailing with the Girl Scouts. The recipe was called some more, and it included the essential ingredients: graham crackers, chocolate, and marshmallows. Evolution. While the Girl Scouts popularized the treat, variations of the combination likely existed earlier. The concept of sandwiching marshmallows and chocolate between graham crackers was a natural extension of existing treats. Ingredients: graham crackers, invented by Sylvester Graham in the early 19th century as part of a health movement. Marshmallows, originating from the ancient Egyptians, the modern version was developed in the late 19th century using gelatin and corn syrup. Chocolate became widely available and affordable in the early 20th century, making it a staple in many confections. The treat remains a beloved part of camping and outdoor activities, often associated with nostalgia and family gatherings. S'mores are a delicious treat, but like any sweet snack, they can have various effects on your body. Here's a breakdown. Positive effects. Immediate energy boost. S'mores contain carbohydrates from the graham crackers and sugar from the chocolate and marshmallows, which can provide a quick energy boost. Mood enhancement. Eating sweet treats can release endorphins, which can improve mood and create a feeling of happiness. Negative effects. High sugar content. S'mores are high in sugar, which can lead to a spike in blood sugar levels followed by a crash. Consuming too much sugar over time can contribute to weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. Caloric intake. S'mores are calorie-dense, and consuming them frequently can contribute to excess calorie intake and weight gain. Nutrient deficiency. They are low in essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are necessary for overall health. Tooth decay. The high sugar content can contribute to tooth decay and cavities if dental hygiene is not maintained. Processed ingredients. S'mores often contain processed ingredients, which may include unhealthy fats, preservatives, and additives. Components breakdown. Graham crackers. While they provide some fiber, they also contain added sugars and refined flour. Marshmallows, mostly made of sugar, corn syrup, and gelatin, offering little nutritional value. Chocolate contains sugar and fat, but also provides some antioxidants and minerals like iron and magnesium. Recommendations: moderation. Enjoy s'mores occasionally rather than regularly to avoid negative health effects. Healthier variations. Consider using dark chocolate with less sugar and more antioxidants and whole grain graham crackers to make a slightly healthier version. Thank you for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the notification bell for my new video.